In the race to roll out robotaxis by the 2030s, Pony AI is still considered a forerunner leading the charge. Let's see what ground it's covered since the new year, since its grand strategy covers vehicle production, fleet operations, platform distribution, and international expansion. One of the first things it did this year was expand its partnership with BAIC BJEV, the electric vehicle subsidiary of BAIC Group, to accelerate the large-scale commercialization and global deployment of Level 4 autonomous robotaxi services. The enhanced collaboration aims to move autonomous driving beyond pilot testing and into sustainable mass production and commercial operations. Moving ahead, Pony will contribute its autonomous driving software, including its proprietary virtual driver and AI-based world modeling technologies, while BAICBJEV will leverage its expertise in electric vehicle manufacturing and supply chain management. A key component of the partnership is the joint design and development of purpose-built robotaxi vehicles. The companies will collaborate on vehicle architecture, hardware integration, and in-cabin systems to optimize cars for fully autonomous operations and passenger experience. This includes improving pickup convenience, ride comfort, and system efficiency. The collaboration also extends to aspects like management, customer acquisition, and vehicle maintenance. By integrating BAICBJEV's OEM-grade supply chain and manufacturing capabilities, the partners aim to reduce the bill of materials and overall operating costs of robotaxi vehicles. Improved lifecycle management and maintenance efficiency are expected to make large-scale commercial deployment more financially sustainable. Since Pony and BAIC began working together in 2024, they have co-developed one of Pony AI's 7th-generation robotaxi vehicles, the ArcFox Alpha T5 robotaxi. The model debuted at the Shanghai Auto Show and has already moved into production, with more than 600 vehicles manufactured. These robotaxis are currently operating commercially in major Chinese cities like Beijing and Shenzhen. The ArcFox Alpha T5 features several upgrades designed to improve passenger experience and ride smoothness, supported by Pony's AI driving system. These enhancements are intended to increase public trust and adoption of autonomous mobility services. Around the world, Pony operates autonomous driving programs in 8 countries, like Luxembourg, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Singapore, and South Korea. Building on this international presence, it plans to deploy the jointly developed robotaxi vehicles in selected global markets such as Europe and the Middle East. The broader goal is to establish a scalable robotaxi platform that can be adapted for international markets, combining local partnerships with Pony's autonomous driving technology. Alongside its vehicle manufacturing collaboration, Pony AI is expanding its commercial ecosystem through partnerships with mobility service providers and digital platforms. One example is its collaboration with Beijing ATBB Travel and Express Service, a premium mobility company. This partnership focuses on deploying and operating robotaxi fleets in China's top-tier cities, including routes connecting airports and business districts. The initiative reflects Pony AI's asset-light strategy, where external partners provide fleet investment and operational expertise, while Pony AI supplies the autonomous technology platform. Robotaxi services from this partnership will be integrated into Pony's proprietary ride-hailing platform as well as third-party mobility ecosystems. Pony will also integrate its vehicles into ATBB's Xinghui mobility platform, enabling shared demand and fleet resources to improve efficiency and scalability. Another major digital driver as of late was integration with Tencent's WeChat mobility services. Users in certain areas of Guangzhou can now book fully driverless rides directly through the WeChat app. With more than 1 billion users, the platform integration significantly increases accessibility and visibility for Pony's robotaxi services. In the bigger picture, Pony's robotaxi fleet now exceeds 1,100 vehicles, surpassing its earlier fleet targets for 2025. It plans to grow this number to more than 3,000 robotaxis by the end of 2026. Operational data also suggests improving economic viability. Pony's 7th-generation robotaxi operations have achieved unit economics break-even in cities like Guangzhou and Shenzhen. In Shenzhen, each robotaxi generates an average daily net revenue of approximately 338 RMB from about 23 trips per day. Strong travel demand, particularly during peak periods like the Chinese New Year holiday, has further boosted ride volumes. Just like high trading volumes for hot stocks, you can find on TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.